Hey everybody, I have a new unboxing of a Hermes large 42mm H buckle belt kit. I just got the call and I went ahead and went to go pick it up. This belt again is extremely hard to find. Almost all locations will never have this in stock. So unless you have a good connection or someone that will stay on top of the shipment or the orders for you, you'll probably never get your hands on one of these just by walking in. And I had a connection to get this right away, and here it is. As you guys all know, their bags are pretty unique and nice. The materials that they like to use and choose for their bags are extremely top end. And same goes for their box. Extremely well made. Ribbon. Very thick box. Here I have my receipt. And let's go ahead and open this up. Well, show you guys a sticker. Again, this is the 42mm. I will actually have another video made comparing the 32mm and the 42mm. I know many of you guys are going to ask the question, how does it compare in size and how does it wear? So I'm just going to go ahead and do that video so you can see the visual comparison. In each belt kit, you get this nice little box, kind of unique. Has a tweeted belt pouch to protect the belt buckle from scratching. Give you guys a closer look of that. Not sure the exact material, but it feels like a cotton / wool material. Let's go ahead and open this up. And here is the large H belt buckle. Closer look. It has this plastic film on it, which I'll go ahead and remove so you kind of see the brushed finish of the buckle. Very nicely made, very heavy belt buckle. The bottom of it, not sure if you see that clear or not, but it says Hermes right there. Different angle. This is the top of the belt buckle. And here's the back. Plain. And it says made in France. Not sure if I can get that on video, but it says made in France right there. Now the large H belt kit only comes with the smooth leather. This is the traditional kit, very similar to the other belts, but instead of the reversible brown being a pebbled leather, the back side of this is also a smooth brown, a smooth leather in brown. Give you guys a better look. There you go. A very dark brown, and at the very end you have 3 sizes, and on the inside it'll say Hermes Paris, and this is the size 95 which is the rarest size to find. The next size that's hard to get will be the size 100. So if you guys are either sizes, good luck in trying to get one of the sizes. If you don't know somebody, or if you don't put yourself on some kind of waiting list, you'll probably never receive the belt. So here you go. This was an unboxing of my new 42mm brushed stainless steel, or brushed silver H belt buckle and leather strap. Thanks for watching. Please like, dislike, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.